Conservative nationalist Andrzej Duda has clinched a slim victory in the Polish presidential elections. His win means he could continue with controversial changes to the judicial system, which has set the country on a collision course with Brussels for breaches of EU law. The EU triggered its sanction mechanism, known as Article 7, against Poland in 2017, but with limited results so far.
Insofar, there has been quite mixed record of the European Union's central institutions acting on the rule of law backsliding in the member states. The Court of Justice of the European Union has been somewhat successful with some of its rulings and interim measures passed so far. However, the Article 7 dialogue with Poland, for example, is pretty much stalled and not going anywhere at this point.
There are now growing calls to link EU money, of which Warsaw is the largest recipient, to the respect for the rule of law. But those safeguards may fall foul of negotiations over the recovery fund.
The devil is in the details. A lot of depends on how effective this conditionality would be, whether it would be actually able to affect countries, not just Poland, but also other countries, where the rule of law, democracy and human rights were to be at risk, or whether this is going to be watered down and turn into a mechanism that will be simply a checkbox which the EU institutions will sign off on their way to agreement on the budget and will have no actual impact.
EU leaders are meeting later this week to thrash out a deal on the coronavirus recovery package.